Okay, again, here I am cleaning up tools inside the house. I've got my pump now. This is my Easy Clean pump, and I've got a 10 box that I have to clean. So I'll take it, do this, clean it out, of course, make sure it's pumped out. And I'm not going to take this apart. Not if I'm cleaning it inside the house. It's not necessary. Now, this I will take apart. Matter of fact, I will take it completely apart. Now, here's a little trick I learned when it's hard. You can shove this in there. You can pull this up. Ooh, that's not working either. I need a smaller knife. A stronger knife. But I can shove this in there and I can pull it up and disconnect it. Okay, that makes it easier. And but I'm going to take this completely apart so I can get this mud out of here. Let's put that mud in there. And let's put this mud in there too. There's mud in there too. So I can wash this up. Again, this is nice and warm water from my water heater. My bucket water heater. This water's nice and warm, works really well. And this is how I will clean up the boxes and make sure that they're nice and clean in the wintertime. Not in the summertime. You saw my old video in the summertime. I just crack open the box and I spray it out with the hose. But in the wintertime, I'll put it in here. Look at it, somebody didn't clean it very well. I have hard mud in there. And now, I'll put it back together. I'm not going to leave it apart. Some guys do, but I don't. I like to make sure it's all put back together. I don't like to lose parts and things. So, we have the time. So, just stick this back in. Put this back in place. Put the springs back on. It's relatively simple. It's easier when you can see and you don't have old man eyes like me. Let's do this one first. I really did. Those used to be really easy for me. Not quite so easy anymore. Why isn't that not hooking on? Because I couldn't see, honestly. My eyes are getting bad. I couldn't see that I wasn't hooked onto that. So, all right. Box is back together. That's easy. Now the pump. Pumps, again, very, very simple. I'm going to brush it off. I'm going to brush it down. Get it all clean. And then I'm just going to pump it out. That's all I'm going to do. Now, if you want to check, if you want to pull this thing apart and check to see how clean it is, by all means, pull it apart and take a look. I mean, I'll do that. I'll do that right now because I can clean this out a little bit better because there is a little bit of mud left. See that? So there's a little bit of mud left in there. And then I'll clean this off. But truthfully, had I just let this freeze just the way it was, all the rest of that mud is going to come right out. It really is. As soon as I dip this in water and it thaws, then you just brush it and you just pump that mud right out of there. So, because I can't get it spotless. I just can't. It's without the hose and spraying in there, you're just not going to get it spotless. Now you see I have mud in here too, but what I can do is this. Can you see the light? So, good enough. It's good enough. Let it freeze. Just let it freeze. So that's how you clean up tools inside a house I like to use warm water. I don't like to use cold water in the wintertime. So that's why that little tool right there is one of my favorite things to have. So you guys have a good day. I see a light box I still have to coat, and then we're done for the day. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.